We posted this video a couple of weeks ago, and we wanted you guys to take some guesses on what our new ride that we've acquired is. So we've had a lot of good guesses. We had a Toyota Celica, a 240, a Nova, Camaro, even a square body Chevy, and even a money pit. So here's the video of where we're going to show you what we've acquired. So without further ado, here she is, our new ride.
Oh yeah, baby! Look at that thing. Okay. Good? Okay. Alright, hey guys, so this is our new toy, our new baby. So our buddy sold it to us for a great price. He's got the motor out right now. He had to fix a bent valve or something, so that's all been fixed. We're just waiting to put it back in. So we figured while the motor's out, we're gonna go ahead and start degreasing, start cleaning, and it's just easier now to do than later, obviously. So we're just kind of spraying some degreaser on it right now. This stuff's pretty thick
Starting
here.
to work, though, it looks like.
Yeah, we're not really sure what that is. We're gonna get the pressure washer after here in just a second. So we're just kind of trying to hit everything real quick, just kind of make it a little bit prettier than what it was or is. It's not gonna be a show car or anything, but
Maybe someday.
maybe someday. Right now, the plan is just to have it so we can drive it.
And I can learn to drive a manual.
Yep, we got a new clutch for it, or just a whole new clutch kit, and we're gonna need it with Mel learning to drive.
With my history.
Yeah, with her history of destroying cars. You guys remember the Camaro incident? Well, I don't think we didn't show it, but I think we've talked about it.
We have some pictures. I'll insert them in this video. Show you what I didn't technically do it. It just happened when
When we show you the photo, we'll tell you the story.
Okay.
I'll tell the story.
Okay. And we all know how that's going to be the truth. Anyways.
Okay.
All right. We'll show you the after and
let it sit, and then we're gonna hit it with the pressure washer. Then we'll scrub and do some fine tuning, and
be done.
We'll show you the after. There she is, my beloved 2010 2SS 6-speed Camaro that Mel absolutely destroyed the very first time I ever tried to teach her how to drive a manual. Literally, we get to the vacant parking lot, we switch seats, I tell her what to do to fire it up, she fires it up, and immediately it's making a weird noise. Tell her to shut it off, she shuts it off, I have her fire it back up again, still making the weird noise, she shuts it off, and I pop the hood, I kind of look around, nothing looks weird, nothing's out of the ordinary, I'm looking under it, I'm like, what the heck is going on? I tell her to fire it up again, and the motor's locked up. So long story short, somehow the seat had broken and wrapped itself around the valve, and it just obviously was keeping the motor from rotating. It was all in the piston, as you could see, and had to get a new head and had to obviously replace the piston and all that stuff, the valve. And I told her I would never teach her how to drive a manual again. However, that is not true, because with this Z31, I have deliberately ordered and placed a new clutch kit in it, specifically so she can learn to drive. I'm a big believer in women knowing how to drive manuals. You just don't see it a lot these days.
I just want to bring it here.
Hey, I don't mean to bother y'all. Is this y'all's car? Yeah, yeah. Can we hear it, please? Yeah. This is like dream for me right here. This is beautiful.
Hey, me too. I haven't wanted one of these ever since.
It's beautiful, man. I love it.
Thanks, appreciate it.
That was my key. Yeah.
Fayetteville,
Fayetteville.
and drove it back. It was black, and we repainted it.
Yeah, I love the color.
I put different seats. Those are stock seats, but it had some kind of aftermarket cheapy seats in it. So we made the.
Oh, that's sick.
So yeah, so that's on
Yeah,
there.
yeah.
We've got an Impala wagon. We've got a lot of cars.
This car will be on.
Yeah, it's a wagon. It's LS. It's got twin turbos coming out of the hood.
Oh, wow.
But you'll see it on there if you go to their channel, subscribe.
That's amazing.
Yeah.
I will for sure be checking
Oh,
it out.
yeah, definitely. This will be on
As soon as
there.
I get in there.
If you guys want to be on it, wave to the GoPro there.
Yeah.
Oh, yo,
Absolutely. What's up?
It was a GoPro.
I'm for sure gonna check this out though. Oh
yeah,
thank you guys.
definitely.
Thanks,
All right,
guys.
you guys have a good day.
You too, man.
Yeah, that's pretty nice. Yeah, definitely a lot better, or a lot easier, I mean, than pushing it or something. So not a lot better, but it is a little bit better. This stuff was real thick. We'll attack that a little bit more later, because we can get that with the engine in. We were mainly concerned about just getting the rails done. Kind of this tunnel. I know it doesn't look like we worked on that, but trust me, we did. That stuff was on there. Getting this frame rail, you know, or not frame rail, but this cross member and stuff all done. So it's a lot better than it was.
I always want to shoot from so far away.
There, I'm gonna put that in there too. You are always griping at me.
Whatever. I'm just trying to be professional.
Griping at your wife. This video
I
is
wasn't griping.
not.
I just said you shoot from so far away.
Yeah, he told me.
You need to get up on this right here. Zoom in right here.
Anyways,
Cut. Okay.
tell him what you're doing.
So, we're gonna just be deleting some stuff, some EGR stuff, some emission stuff, just things we don't need. This car is not gonna have AC. We might keep the heat going on it, I don't know. The engine's over there on a stand, so I'm gonna go over there and look at the intake and probably take some stuff off that as well. They make a block off kit for that. It's because it's so common, people make them and sell them, so so common to delete these. But you can just see how kind of, you know, 80s emissions and stuff.
It's a lot going on in there.
Yeah, we're just gonna cut a lot of that out, whatever we can get away with. In the future, depending on how much we love this car and all that, we'll decide on doing a turbo or not. But for now, we want to teach Mel how to drive a standard. We bought a new clutch kit for it, and my son's excited about driving this thing, the Toga Con. We've mentioned that before, so it's kind of where we're at right now. We're just gonna keep the car basic for the moment. Like I said, if we fall in love with it, we'll talk about turboing it. So that's it. I'm gonna see what we can get out of here and make some space.
Yep.
I don't think we've actually showed you guys the car, so let's do that. It's got T-tops.
Do what?
I think those are plastic.
Oh, are they?
Mirrors, yeah.
Oh,
Sun baked.
yeah.
They even say Nissan on them. That's pretty cool. Cool. That's it.
This is what we pulled out. It wasn't much. I believe the previous owners had already deleted some things. It's basically just the canister for the EGR or whatever that, like, probably your fuel fumes go into, whatever, just the charcoal canister. And the other little canister there was for the air compressor or the AC, whatever, wasn't the actual compressor, it was just a canister. But anyway, and then the hoses and stuff that attached to all that. So just making more room. This car is just going to be pretty well basic and bare bones and just a fun car to get around in. And I'd like to add that those kids were awesome, and it always puts a smile on our face to see kids get that stoked over cars. It really shows promise for the future car culture, and we definitely need those guys getting excited about cars.
Oh yeah,